This is video number 2. We are now at the same joinery with a cylinder jam. We're assuming now that everything has been caulked and sealed as we showed in video 1. And we're assuming now that this end dam is sealed and caulked and all that. We're now going to show you how the subsill goes into place at the bottom. The subsill, the way it operates, is actually pre-installed in the opening first. And the bulb of the subsill runs along this cavity here. So when the actually subsill is mounted first in the opening and it's shimmed and it's spliced and caulked, then the individual panels get loaded into the opening and they go, the bottom of that has to go into the bulb here as such. Okay. We now have created a special end dam which will be applied at the subsill while it's in place in the oven by itself. So we can take this out now because we wanted to show how this goes, how this fits. So now on this end dam, what we do here, we apply silicone sealant along the surface of the end dam. And then we apply it as such. And then we apply more silicone sealant on the inside joinery here and all the way around there. And this keeps the end dam in place, and this allows water not to penetrate and go out to the sides of the subsill. So now when the frame is in the subsill, you have a primary seal at the corners of the end dams for the silted jam joinery, and if any water should ever breach there, it will actually come down onto the subsill and then will weep out through the little holes at the bottom of the sill. Okay? So if you put this here, give you a view of what it would look like in the finished world. You actually have a subsill and a sill. So you have the entire subsill, which has an end dam. You have the jam to sill joinery, which has its own end dam. And water will come out of the sweep hole, come down, and it will just sweep right out when the water accumulates inside the frame. So you have two levels of protection in the frame itself and in the subsill. Okay.